Hey guys, JH, welcome to Practice Tee. Okay, we're probably going to get rained out here. I've just tried to get in. There's a little window here, but it's been raining all morning. See how we go. Guys, I just want to talk about some changes I'm making. It's raining already. I've always been a person that holds the club in the roots of the fingers, a grip, very much a finger orientated grip in the left hand. I'm changing it, so I'm going to a fist orientated, like Sam Snead. The club is very much diagonal across the hand now, as opposed to straight up and down as I used to have it. And I feel like I'm just holding it like a fist, like Freddie Couples and like Sam Snead. Big change for me. We'll talk about it as we go through. I'm trying to do this quick because I just don't want to get rained on. The other thing, guys, is with my driver, and you probably noticed, when I set my driver up, I've always got the toe of the club inside the golf ball. That's because I know my arms are going to stretch on the downswing. Now if I set it up in the center of the golf ball and my arms stretch, I'm going to hit it in the neck. Now what we all do to facilitate that is we move our spine backwards and away from the golf ball. That's just a fact of life, because the arms stretch and the club gets longer and it goes out and the heel moves towards the ball. It's interesting that Hogan hit most of his shots in the heel. All his irons were worn in the heel because he didn't move backwards very much, but he always wanted to set it up in the center. Maybe he never worked out that, I'm not saying I'm smarter than Hogan, but maybe he never worked out that if he set it up off the toe like Bobby Jones did and Sarazen, and I believe Harry Varden, Bobby Jones actually had the club inside the ball, like that. Now I'm setting up with the toe like that, guys, and it's just amazing the contact that I'm getting. Extraordinary. I'm just trying to hit a couple of shots before the rain comes. So I've got the fist grip, and we're working on the Ratchet. Haven't hit a shot, so dead cold. Guys, that's what, 6 iron, dead into about a 45k wind, purest driven snow, dead cold. This Ratchet's helped me enormously, and that fist grip, I got to tell you, it feels wonderful. And I've got and I'm hitting it dead center, and I've got the club way inside the ball. Just crazy. Can't hit it better than that. And that's really strong for a cold, stiff swing. So that's 20 yards past the first shot. And they're really cold, stiff swings. First shots of the day, no practice shots. That fist grip is great. It feels a bit dead, because I've usually always feel like I've got pretty lively hands, and that feels pretty dead, but boy, it's strong. And having the club inside the ball is amazing. If I could teach the egg timer to work every time, I'd be much better off. Okay, so here we go. Club inside the ball. Full Ratchet and a fist grip. Oh, I hit that good. And I thought, quite frankly, that having the fist grip I'd lose a bit of my download, but I don't. I can still feel the club downloading. Feels great. Feels absolutely great. Really strong wind, and the ball's just going dead straight at where I'm aiming. Fist grip, club inside the ball, big Ratchet. All those golf balls are in a 5-yard circle. And I aimed at one side of the 5-yard circle and the other side, not just hit it out there anywhere. extraordinary how you hit the ball dead centre, and how straight it goes, and how solid it is. It's just the way it is, guys. The hit is really clean, amazingly clean. Same shot every time. All right, big ratchet on this one. When you run that ratchet, guys, it's just another 20 yards. I mean, that's almost gone normal 6-iron distance into this 40-mile-an-hour wind. I'll just go up to 4-iron because that wind is really strong. Don't get any better than that, guys. It just doesn't get any better than that. Can't believe the hit is so centered. And I'm setting up like this, as I do with my driver. Actually got the club inside the ball. And what's interesting is I always feel when I come into the ball with my irons that I'm always in my own way. That's clearly because the arms are moving out and I don't want to move away too much. So it's very interesting. Now I've got a lot of freedom. That was just a great shot. Lots of fist grip. Big ratchet. You don't get any better than that, guys. It does not get better than that. That's just nuts. Okay, what are we talking about? Talking about my old grip, which was there. My new grip is here. But what's interesting is that I go from that angle relationship of the shaft and my forearm to that relationship. So I've taken 30 degrees out of it. I'm almost single axis in my left arm, a la Mo Norman. Maybe that's why I'm hitting it so good, because the hit just feels sensational. Such strong shots into the wind, guys, and I'm dead cold. Haven't hit a shot other than these ones. They're all just dead flush, and it just feels like a fist grip. It's just amazing how clean the hit is. I think I've shallowed out my attack because the hit is so clean. I can almost hit off a putting green now and not even bruise it. A big ratchet. Perfect golf shot. Perfect golf shot.